What's up everybody, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today I've got a 2019 Chevy Colorado ZR2 headlight build today. This has the full projector swap, which is the 4TLR. Also has the ByThirteen lens etching, which there you go, now you can see it in there. We have an RGB halo around it, and as you can tell by now, obviously a full gloss black interior paint job. This gloss black paint job is super pretty and very reflective, so it's pretty much impossible for me to get you a good shot inside of the thing. Painted over the reflector, so it's just fully blacked out, but it is a rather flawless paint job. With the 4TLR projector, we're going to have 50-watt Morimoto ballast powering pure white bulbs, so it will be very bright, a significant improvement over the stock OEM halogen projectors. And with the Bluetooth controlled RGB halos, let's turn those on. We've got dual channel control here, so we've got control one side right here. We can throw that on like a reddish, I don't know, camera's just going to pick up whatever it wants. And then over there, we can put that over on a different color. Voila! These are also switchback halos, so if you use the turn signal, you know, it'll blink. I don't have my little flasher module hooked up, but you get the idea. Flasher, turn signal, it's awesome. That is the gist of this build. It's going to be a lot more easy to demonstrate once it's on the vehicle, and that'll be done shortly, so look forward to that video, okay? Product and pricing information will be in the video description, so by all means read that. If you're interested in a Colorado build for yourself, by all means shoot me an email, 13@bythirteen.com. Thanks so much for watching. This is 13. I'll talk to you later. See ya!